Hello friends. In our last video, we have learned the new topic 3.3 note making, the icebreakers of that particular topic. Now, let us see the whole topic note making. Suppose you are in a class and the teacher is teaching a very important concept. It is difficult for us to remember everything. To overcome this difficulty, we can note down important details. These notes help us in the time of need. This is called note taking. And here we are going to learn about note making. So, there are two concepts given in this topic, that is note taking and note making. So first of all, we will see what is mean by note taking. Note taking is the practice of recording information captured from another source. By taking notes, the writer records the essence of the information, freeing their mind from having to recall everything. Notes are commonly drawn from a transit source, such as an oral discussion at a meeting or a lecture, in which is the notes may be the only record of the event. लेक्चरच्या वेळेला आपण जे काही लिहून घेतो त्याला आपण नोट टेकिंग असं म्हणतो, की जे एखाद्या सोर्स कडून आपण घेत असतो. तर याचा वापर कशासाठी करतो आपण? कारण पूर्ण लेक्चर तर आपल्याला लक्षात राहणार नाही. तर त्यातले काही इम्पॉर्टंट पॉइंट्स लक्षात राहावेत याच्यासाठी आपण जे छोटे-छोटे नोट्स जे डिक्टेट करतात टीचर ते घेतो, त्याला आपण नोट टेकिंग असं म्हणतो. नेक्स्ट, नोट मेकिंग. Note making is a way of recording important details from a source. नोट मेकिंग सुद्धा सोर्स मधूनच घेतलं जातं, एखाद्या स्रोताकडूनच ते घेतलं जातं, जसं नोट टेकिंग मध्ये घेतलं जातं तसंच. This source can be any book, article, meeting or any oral discussion. In note making, the writer records the essence of the information. It helps us to understand and clarify thinking. Note making saves a lot of time by going through the notes made. One can get a glimpse of a lot of information from a short note. नोट मेकिंगमध्ये काय केलं जातं? एखादं तुम्ही पुस्तक वाचलं असेल, एखादा लेख वाचला असेल, एखादी मीटिंग अटेंड केली असेल किंवा काही डिस्कशन झालं असेल, तर त्याचे जे छोटे-छोटे नोट्स काढले जातात, त्याचा वापर आपण नंतर करू शकतो. एका ओझरत्या क्षणामध्ये आपल्याला बरीचशी माहिती मिळून जाते, तर त्याच्यासाठी आपण नोट मेकिंग करतो. तर नोट टेकिंग आणि नोट मेकिंगमध्ये नेमका काय डिफरन्स आहे ते आपल्याला बघायचं आहे. सो there are some similarities as well as difference between note taking and note making. First of all, we will see what are the similarities of a note taking and note making. Let us see first. Both provides the student with material for easy reference, preparation and study during an examination. For the purpose of a references, for the purpose of a exam or before preparation of a exam, note taking and note making gives more information. अभ्यासासाठी रेफरन्स बुक्स म्हणून आपण नोट टेकिंग आणि नोट मेकिंगचा दोन्हीचा वापर करू शकतो. सेकंड, both aids the student in remembering facts easier as utilizes both reading and listening senses. कोणत्याही गोष्टी वाचल्यानंतर किंवा ऐकल्यानंतर त्या आपल्या लक्षात राहाव्यात. कारण खूप मोठी इन्फॉर्मेशन असू शकते, माहिती असू शकते. तर त्याचा सार म्हणून नोट मेकिंग किंवा नोट टेकिंगचा आपण वापर करू शकतो. थर्ड, both have the same purpose, that is for the student to excel in their studies. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाचं म्हणजे अभ्यासासाठी त्याचा जास्तीत जास्त वापर आपण करू शकतो. जास्तीत जास्त म्हणजे नोट टेकिंग आणि नोट मेकिंगचा जास्तीत जास्त वापर. And last one, that is both helps student concentrate better and more effectively. जास्तीत जास्त कॉन्सन्ट्रेट होण्यासाठी किंवा इफेक्टिव्ह स्टडीसाठी किंवा प्रेझेंटेशनसाठी नोट टेकिंग आणि नोट मेकिंग दोन्हींचा आपण वापर करू शकतो. सो दीज आर सम सिमिलॅरिटीज बिटवीन नोट टेकिंग अँड नोट मेकिंग. नाव नेक्स्ट, व्हॉट आर द डिफरन्सेस between note taking and note making? First of all, let us see. Brings no obvious improvement towards the skill in studying. Note taking brings no obvious improvement towards the skills in studying. While studying, while taking reference books for examination purpose, there is no importance of a note taking. Then, what is the importance of a note making? Making notes improve the skills in study. Note making are important for the point of view of examination. Now, next, second, note taking. Only jotting down points involve no sight interpretation. Whatever we heard, whatever we listen, we only note down those things or those points. It involves no sight interpretation. म्हणजे जे काही आपण वाचणार आहोत किंवा जे काही आपण ऐकणार आहोत त्याचे अगदी फक्त नोट्स छोटेसे काढले जातात. त्याचा पुढच्या स्टडीसाठी काही जास्त वापर करू शकत नाही आपण किंवा त्याचं विश्लेषण करू शकत नाही. Then, note making. It helps student to see each point clearly along with its link or connection with each other. So while note making, when we write down the concepts, the things, the point, it means we connect those points with each other. याचाच अर्थ काय, तर नोट मेकिंगमध्ये प्रत्येक गोष्टी आपण एकमेकांशी लिंक करतो किंवा कनेक्ट करतो, त्याचा तुमच्या अभ्यासासाठी वापर होऊ शकतो. Then third number, note taking. Very less changes are required. Whatever we heard or listen, we take the notes of those things. Then note making. Easier to change the notes made. नोट मेकिंगमध्ये जे काही आपण वाचलेलं असणार आहे किंवा ऐकलेलं असणार आहे तर त्याच्या अतिशय सोप्या पद्धतीने नोट्स काढले जातात की जे आपण परत चेंज करू शकतो. अँड लास्ट वन, नोट टेकिंग. टेकिंग पॉईंट्स फ्रॉम वन सोर्स ऑन अ टाईम. एकाच वेळेला फक्त आपण नोट टेकिंग करू शकतो. जसं लेक्चरमध्ये, व्याख्यानामध्ये किंवा एखाद्या मीटिंगमध्ये जे काही आपल्यासमोर चाललं असेल तर त्याचे नोट्स आपण लिहू शकतो किंवा काढू शकतो. तर नोट मेकिंगमध्ये तसं होत नाही. इट इन्व्हॉल्व्स द टेकिंग ऑफ पॉईंट्स फ्रॉम डिफरंट सोर्सेस. एकाच वेळेला तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्या सोर्सेसकडून नोट मेकिंग करू शकता. जसं की तुम्ही काही टी व्हीवरती पाहिलं असेल किंवा तुम्ही काहीतरी यूट्यूबवरती बघितलं असेल, गुगलवरती सर्च केलं असेल, पुस्तकामध्ये वाचलं असेल एकाच कन्सेप्टबद्दल, तर त्याच्या वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीनं नोट्स तुम्ही करू शकता किंवा एकमेकांना ते कनेक्ट करू शकता. सो दीज आर द डिफरन्सेस ऑफ अ note taking and note making. Now, let us see what are the advantages of a note making. As I told you, note making is very important and it has similarities with note taking and it has differences with note taking. So it is a skill which improves by practicing it. More we practice, more we improve the skill of note making. So let us see what are the advantages of note making. First, it has great importance in exams or in academic writing. As I told you in definition that note making is very important in the perspective or in the point of view of examination. And for the academic writing. Second, it is an organization of main points for future use. You can organize various types of concepts and divide it into main points, sub points, and examples. So, whenever you will be asked about those points or concepts, you can answer it easily, as well as you can connect those points to the examples. Then, third one, note making helps in keeping the information handy whenever we require. Just like a handkerchief, we can keep those things handy. Those things means note making handy, and whenever we require or whenever other require, we can give that information into a short notes. Then it helps in recollecting and recalling the past events said or heard. Whatever we heard, whatever said by others, or whatever we read, we can recollect and recall the past events or experiences to the others. Then, next one, it helps in concentrating, understanding, and provides a permanent record. As a permanent record, you can keep note making with you. It helps you concentrating and understanding those things. Next one, note making format helps a writer to go through bulky documents quicker. Note making format helps a writer to go through bulky document quicker. So besides taking a critical or a very bulky document, you can easily found note making to others. So keep those things with you. Then next, it helps in understanding material if the notes are in your own words. So it will be useful if you make notes in your own words. It will be understanding for you as well as for others. And the last one, it distinguishes between main points and details. As I told you that if you organize the main points, subpoints, again subpoints and their examples, then it will distinguish you or others, or you will differentiate between various concepts. So these are the advantages of a note making. Last year, we have already learned the concept of a note making. So, it is very important to remember some points about note making. First of all, uh, if you want to make notes, then you should avoid using long sentences as heading or a title. So you have to avoid some articles, some prepositions, and unnecessary words or concepts while giving heading or a title of the note making. Never lose the main idea of the passage. Whenever you read something, the concept, the passage, or extract of a something, then you should not lose the main idea of that passage. You have to concentrate on the main points. Then, ignore information which is less important. If the passage is about the main thing, so you have to stick to those points, to the sub points, and you have to give the less importance to the less points of that paragraph. Be brief and clear, and be specific about that paragraph. Use logical sequencing, putting the points, main points and sub points. You have to keep the logical sequence. It is very important, and you have to use proper indentation. Then leave no space to avoid confusion. You have to avoid confusion while putting the information in a note making. So leave no space. Then do not include your own version or understanding. You should not include your own ideas, concepts, quotations, or others' ideas, concepts. So you have to include those points which are given in the passage or extract in your own words. Uh, Keep in mind that use abbreviation if required. And last one, that is make your note more memorable by adding colors, drawings and symbols. As I told you in icebreakers that there are various types of a note making styles. There are styles, there are methods of a note making. So make those note making memorable by adding colors, drawings, symbols and methods, etc. So this is what about note making and note taking. For this purpose, go through 3.3 note making of your topic in your textbook. Uh, so, in next lecture, we will see the new topic.